Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. As I have asked you that if you got visa and want to share your success story, then contact me. I will definitely share your short success story on my YouTube channel. So today I will share a short success story of one of our Indian student who got visa last week as well as merit-based scholarship. So let's watch.
Hello guys, I'm Shiva Saket. I'm from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India, and I'll be starting my masters in Italy in 2021. I have actually enrolled in masters in cognitive science program in University of Trento, and I have also received a merit scholarship from them. And I received my long stay study visa just around 15 days ago on 16th of July. This is the visa, and so this whole process took around 6 to 7 months. Actually, I had learned about this study abroad opportunity in Italy a year ago, but I was nervous about applying because of the whole COVID situation. So I postponed my plans to 2021, and I started applying in January, because in European universities the sooner you apply the better. So when I started applying in January, I had actually received admission from University of Padua, University of Brescia, Ca' Foscari University, and finally University of Trento. Since the merit scholarship that I got from Trento covered my tuition fees and also gave me a scholarship of 5,000 euros every year, so I decided to go with them. And after getting the admission letter, I actually started my documentation work. I completed my attestation of my educational certificates in Odisha State Secretariat, and then sent it for apostille to Ministry of External Affairs in Delhi. And fortunately, my university did not require a DOV, so I did not have to worry about that. And just after getting my educational certificates, I took an VFS appointment. In the meantime, I also prepared other documents like sponsorship letter and bank statement. Since I had gotten a scholarship, so there wasn't much of a requirement of a bank statement, but I, just to be on the safe side, I still gave a bank statement of 3 months. I showed around 8 lakhs, and I took a VFS appointment. The appointments date were very scarce. Only 3 dates were available: 12th, 19th, and 26th. And I chose the earliest date, that is on 12th. And I went to Kolkata, submitted my documents there, and they told me that I should expect some contact from the consulate. So I came back to Bhubaneswar and was waiting for some kind of contact from the consulate, but there was no interview conducted. And I came to know about that I got my visa through my Universitali portal. It showed that long stay visa issued, so that's how I got to know. And so that was it for me. Fortunately, they didn't conduct an interview, so I am thankful to the Consulate General of Italy of Kolkata for granting me a chance, an opportunity to study in their country. And I'm looking forward to going to Italy this year. And I'm hopeful that Italy will soon relax their travel restrictions, and all of us students we can travel. So that's it. Thank you guys.